Hey cutie, my name is Lily Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is your moment, this is your chance, and then we are gonna hop into the 3 things you should be doing to improve your booty clap. I know this is a move that a lot of people feel like they cannot do, like it's something like rocket science. It really isn't. It's just a move that requires some practice, some patience, and some dedication all sprinkled together. But with these 3 secrets, I promise, you will nail it within no time. I have a video that I will link somewhere up here where I teach you the basics of this move. So if you haven't done that yet, feel free to watch that first. But these 3 things are gonna significantly improve your booty clap. First thing, let's hop right in. First thing, it doesn't actually make a sound unless you have a very big booty, bigger than I have ever seen, because I have a big booty girlfriends and boyfriends, and whenever they booty clap, it doesn't actually make this sound. So don't put that out of your head. I feel like that's the mindset change of, why does my booty not actually clap? Because it won't. It will not actually clap. If your booty does clap, please comment below and feel free to send me a video because I want to see proof. But yeah, so when you're doing a booty clap, don't expect the actual clap. I feel like that's the first secret that no one tells you about this move. I know, deception. Second one, this is to actually improve. Second one, a lot of people will find it easier to try it on your toes first. So come onto your toes and do You know, as a kid, I don't know why, but like as a kid, I used to do this a lot, like moving back while you're like standing on your tippy toes. I thought it was so funny, so cute, but turns out I was just preparing my body to be able to do a booty clap. And so can you. So if you want, you can hold on to something, or a wall, a chair, whatever. But you don't have to. You can just come onto your tippy toes. You don't have to go all the way relevé. We're not ballerinas here. We are twerk dancers. So we come onto our tippy toes just a tiny little bit, and then we wiggle down our heels from in to out, from out to in, kind of like. That is the move that you want to be doing, but with your whole leg. So you want your thighs to be rotating in and out together with your heels. So let's come onto your tippy toes and do it with a little bit more intention. So make sure that you keep your legs nice and straight so that when you move your heels, you see? Boom, 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 boom. My thighs are going as well. Let me turn around so you can actually see what is happening. If I am standing on my tippy toes and I'm just doing the feet, the booty does move a tiny little bit. I can feel it, but it doesn't do a lot. Now let's come onto our tippy toes and let's stretch our knees. Come onto our tippy toes, stretch our knees, make sure that you have your glutes nice and relaxed, because if you tense up, nothing's gonna happen. So have them nice and relaxed, make sure that your knees are stretched, and go boom, 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 boom. You see how that booty started moving just a tiny little bit more. This is just to get the feeling for the move. If you hold on to something, obviously you have a little bit more balance, and it is easier to boom, 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 boom. That was the second secret to improve your booty clap. Now let's move on to the third one. Make sure that you focus more on your thighs than you do your glutes. A lot of people will be like, I can't squeeze my butt cheeks that fast, but it's not about squeezing your butt cheeks that fast. It is about letting your butt cheeks be, just letting them go, do their thing, be nice and relaxed, and then you start the move from your thighs. So think about when you have your feet planted, think about rotating your thighs in and out. Just try to jiggle them. Make use of those thighs that do not have a thigh gap even close that we thought we needed when we were 14 or 15 or 16, and now you're like, I don't have a thigh gap. I love it because now I get to jiggle the thighs. So try to jiggle the thighs and see how that feels. Just jiggle. Don't even think about your glutes. Just boom, 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 boom. Try to shake those hammies. Then, let me show you from the back. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. So we're jiggling our thighs, and I am not even thinking about my glutes. You see what's happening with my butt cheeks? You see what is happening with my butt cheeks? I think you do. You don't even have to think about the butt cheeks. So that's secret number 3, just think about the thighs and rotate them in and out. And if you've watched my tutorial video on the booty clap, you know that you can also lie down in your bed and you can practice that movement. But as soon as you've got that movement, stand your ass up and just think about the thighs. Don't think about the booty. Make sure that you, as I said in a previous secret video as well, on how to improve your booty bounce, I think, but not sure. I'll link them. Hang a little bit in your lower back, push that booty out, and then think about the thighs. Think about the thighs. And the beauty about these is that you can practice it everywhere. You can do it while waiting on the bus, you can do it while standing on the beach, you can do it while you're paying your tab. Easy. You can just think about the thighs. And there you go. Those are the 3 secrets that I think you should know while learning a booty clap. I hope that helped. Hope to see you back for next week's tutorial. I have a new tutorial every Tuesday, so I hope to see you back. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.